decision making. They, they come up with a different thought process. And now organization wants to showcase themselves as more inclusive and engaged. So in order to achieve all these things, you need to bring a balance to the corporate. Given by my company. And now due to COVID situation, we are all working remotely. The moment I connect my laptop to a VPN, I would start getting access to all the applications that I have. So my organization plus the laptop. What if my system got collapsed? What if with the limited certain violations maybe I clicked on certain links and I was a victim of phishing attack, or I installed certain malware intentionally on my system and got caught. So zero trust environment is there is a risk requirement that every employee except will have. Based on the risk, it will determine what level of access you have. So that's zero trust. You can find out more. Google has implemented this successfully. There is an article called Beyond Code. I would encourage you guys to go and read that. It's an interesting article. Then you have war games. All these rare and proven teams are associated with SOC and SIM. One of the career choice that I showed you. This tells you
Personal, sir.
Good afternoon, dear students.
Effort to do. So everybody wants to move it. So make sure you container orchestration microservices. We just spoke in the previous slide that make sure you focus on that.
Are you able to hear, please?
Right.
Yes, sir. I am able to hear, sir.
Right, sir.
Yeah, students are also.
Yes. Dear students, sorry for the delay. There was some problem. I could not log in properly. Now, first, let me go to.
Kind of deviating, but again, to help you to understand what I'm trying to say. In towards the back end of the movie.
I've already told you that I will be.
And then he was able to view.
Talking about examinations today. Now, we have in our syllabus, this is the syllabus given to you. I have already sent it to you. Now, if you see here, there is no involute. In cycloid, epicycloid, there is no involute. In scales, there is no vernier. But still, they are getting questions from them. It will be your syllabus. As per this,
I'm showing you this.
Now, again, yes, are you able to see, please? Touch screen. Are you able to see? Yes, dear students, are you able to see the screen? Can somebody tell me? Right, now, dear students, if you see here, first topic is scales and conics. First question comes from this. This we did not take up. Now, second unit is projection of straight lines, projection of planes, 3 and 4. One question from this, another question from this, or 1A, 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B, you may get like that. First is scales and conics first unit, 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B you get here, 3A, 3B, 4A, 4B. This is third unit, the second unit. Third unit is solids and sections. Fourth unit is development of solids and interpenetration. And last unit is isometric projections, conversion of ortho to iso and isometric to ortho. In this, we left off this. This also I propose to leave it. Now, we proceed from here. Right? Now we have just have 4 into 55 minutes. These are the topics we have to cover. This is left now. Once again, I just go to planes. I just wanted to tell you something. Now, just see here, dear students. This is horizontal plane. Are you able to see? Somebody can chat now? Yes. This is horizontal plane. It is resting on horizontal plane. This is resting on vertical plane. Two things are very important, please. One is plane, vertical plane or horizontal plane. It is resting on vertical plane or horizontal plane. Next, it is resting on edge, longer edge, shorter edge, or a corner. Longer edge or shorter edge or a corner. And in our planes, there are two angles. One is, dear students, this is the angle of inclination with HP. This is theta. Angle of inclination with HP. This angle is theta. So when it is inclined to HP, I see a straight line. When it is inclined to HP, I see a straight line here. Please see here. Can we draw an angle here like this? I cannot draw an angle with like this. I can only draw an angle this way. If I want to draw an angle, I should get a straight line. I should have a straight line. This straight line must be here like this. So, the second part is, I have two angles. One is, this is the plane, complete plane. Plane is complete area. This complete area is inclined this way. Second is, see, I am inclining the side. This is the side. Just see here, this side is resting on this. I am inclining. This is, plane is inclined at theta degrees. Plane is inclined at theta degrees. Now if you see here, I have inclined this side. This side. This side is inclined at 5 degrees. This is the angle. This angle is phi. This angle is theta. We have to identify two things. One is, what is the plane angle? What is the side angle? First, draw plane angle, then draw the side angle. So this is what we should do. This is resting on corner. See, this is resting on corner A. This is resting on A. This is resting on, sorry, AB, A dash B dash. This is resting on A dash B dash here. This is resting on edge of the plane. This is resting on corner. This is resting on HP. Here it is HP. And this angle is theta. Now, these are the points to be considered here. There are two angles of inclination. We have to identify them. First angle is inclination with the plane, complete area. That is this theta. Theta is this angle with plane. Second is inclination with the side. These two we have to identify. Now, the plane is inclined to HP or VP, the angle is theta or phi. If the plane is inclined to HP, it is theta. If it is inclined to VP, it is phi. Another point is whether the plane is resting on edge. This is resting on edge or corner. It is resting on corner. It is resting on edge. These things you have to find out first. Once you find out, rest of the things are drawing horizontal and vertical lines only. This is the problem here. 25 mm side of a heptagon is parallel to VP 28 mm from it. The heptagon is inclined at an angle of 40 degrees with VP. Dear students, please note, this is heptagon is inclined at 40 degrees with VP. Heptagon is plane, please. Plane is area. So that is theta. 40 degrees is the angle made with HP. Sorry, angle made with vertical plane. That is, it is like this. This is the angle made. This is vertical plane. This is the angle made. If I say it is resting on this edge, it is resting on this. This angle, it has moved here. This angle is phi. Now, and the edge afterwards, first it was here like this. It has moved like this. Now it is turning this way. One more angle. First it is like this. This is phi. Plane is moving completely. Plane angle is phi. Now afterwards Again, this is moving this. So these have to be found out. Once you know, first draw plane angle, then side angle. This is how you should draw. You remember this sentence, please. This figure you always remember. XY is the line, theta is the angle made with HP. Then I get a straight line above. If this is horizontal plane, this is theta, I get a straight line above. And polygon I get in the HP. Only remember this much. When it is reverse, when it is phi, straight line goes down, polygon goes up. Only remember this much. When it is theta, straight line is above. When straight line is above, polygon is below. Then reverse is always, once it becomes phi, these things will exchange. So if you remember this much, planes is over, please. Yesterday, Sir has explained all the problems. These points you please consider. This screen you remember once again. And always remember this figure. This figure is sufficient. Theta means straight line above. Theta is the angle made with HP. Theta is the angle made with HP. Then straight line is above, polygon is below. Now we go to next. This, if you understand this much, you know what to draw first. Polygon you have to draw below or above. First I decided, draw the polygon, then go here. From there you turn it, like that you proceed. Once you draw this, rest of the things are only drawing horizontal and vertical lines. Planes are very easy. So we go to solids now. Now, I did not tell you. I said interpenetration also we are not going to do. So solids today I do something. Now next, sections is common to both projection of solids and development. Here in the third unit here, you get a question on solid or section. One question you get solid or R. Sixth question is sections. So if you are thorough with sections, solids you can, I don't say neglect, give less importance, because solid takes a lot of time. I always advise students not to do any problem on solid first. Do it on the last problem to be attempted is solid, because it takes more time, it takes more space. Now dear students, I have picked up a very small problem, that is a rectangular prism I have taken. Now the sides are 25, 40. This is base. All of you are able to see base. Now this is 25, this is 40. Height is 55. Base is 25, 40. Height is 55. It is resting on longer edge on HP. It is resting on longer edge. This is the longer edge. If this is horizontal plane, it is first, this base is resting on this. Now dear students, how it is turning? It is turning on shorter edge. If you see here, it is turning, if it is kept like this, front view, it is turning on shorter edge. This is short. It is turning like this. But in the problem he says it is on longer edge. Therefore, I have to take longer edge. This longer edge must be perpendicular to this. This way it should be. This way it is resting on shorter edge. This way it is resting on shorter edge. Now longer edge means this longer edge, it should rest like this. Now that's what I have drawn here. Come here. Now this is the longer edge, right? A, B, C, D, longer edge is 40, this is 25. If it is like this, shorter edge, it will be resting on short. So I have made it. This is very clear. Now, afterwards, you draw top view, then draw the front view. Dimensions are also given here. Next, we go to inclination. In the problem, what he has given? It is inclined at 50 degrees to HP. This is inclined at 50 degrees to HP. Right. Now, first what I have done, I have drawn this, move here, give enough space here so that this point do not touch this. There should be some minimum gap of some 15 mm from here to here. They should not touch each other. Give you enough space. Now, you rest it on A dash B dash. A dash B dash is this. You rest it on it. Then 50 degrees. Some students have asked me whether we have to incline this way or this way. Should you incline? Longer edge is like this. Should you incline this way or this way? Always inclining anti-clockwise is better. But I have inclined this way clockwise also, there is nothing wrong. But better always, if you feel anti-clockwise is the better. But both are right. Both will get marks. Don't worry about marks. If you are feeling, always go for anti-clockwise. I have inclined it clockwise here. Now, I have inclined, I marked a point here. Here you draw 50 degrees, complete this rectangle, front view. In simple language, if the front view is like this, just copy it, turn it by 50 degrees, paste it. That's what exactly I have done here. What I did, take a point here, draw 50 degrees, measure 55, complete the rectangle. Now, from 1 to, this is a point, 1 to. Dear students, 1 dash bracket 2 dash is not a point. It is a straight line 1, 2. The length of this is this vertical length, this way. 1 dash 2 dash is this one. If I say 1 dash 2 dash, this is 1, 2. You are seeing only 2. 2 dash only you are seeing, but it is not 2 dash, it is 1, 2. Therefore, this is not a point, this is a straight line. This also is a straight line. 3 dash 4 dash bracket is a straight line. Now, here I have drawn a perpendicular from 1 dash 2 dash. I don't say I have drawn a perpendicular, I say I projected. I projected points 1 dash and 2 dash. That means I have drawn a vertical. Now, 1, 2 lie on this red line, please, pink line. 1 and 2 lie on this line. Where exactly 1 lies? Come to top view. From 1, draw a horizontal. From 1 dash, I have drawn a vertical. From 1, you draw a horizontal. Wherever they meet, that is 1. Similarly, from 2 dash, you draw a vertical. From 2, you draw a horizontal. Wherever they meet, that is 2. Similarly, you proceed with this 1, 2, 3, 4. Get all the points. That means 1, 2, 1 dash bracket, 2 dash, 3 dash, bracket, 4 dash, I have drawn here. Now, this looks like a straight line. This is looking like a straight line, 2, 3. 2, 3 is looking like a straight line. It is not a straight line, but it is 1, 2, 3, 4. In the front view, all of you are seeing only one line, 2, 3. 2 dash, 3 dash you are seeing. 2 dash, 3 dash you are seeing here, but it is not one straight line like this. It is an area. That's what I have drawn. Similarly, B dash, C dash also is not a straight line. I have to draw one more plane here. What do? From C dash, D dash, draw a vertical line. C dash, D dash, draw a vertical line. From C and D, draw a horizontal line. Wherever they cut, I get C dash, D dash. Similarly, from A dash, B dash, draw a vertical line, A, B, draw a horizontal line. Wherever they cut, I get A, B. Now, why I have shown A dash in bracket and 1 without bracket? Dear students, all of you are seeing here, This is a face, front view. Now, if you see the top view, 1, 2, 3 are there. If you see top view, 1, 2, 3 are able to see. If you see like this. Below, you got A, B, C, D. Below, I got A, B, C, D. On top, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm seeing from top, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot see A, B, C, D. Therefore, A, B, C, D, I kept in brackets. That means they are hidden. 1, 2, 3, 4, I am able to see in top view. This is top view. I see top view 1, 2, 3, 4. Bottom view BV, I cannot see A, B, C, D. That's why A, B, C, D are in bracket. Now, this is your front view. Right. Now, next is what I have done now. Earlier, I have taken longer side. This was here like this. Longer side is to be, it is resting on longer side. I kept it on longer side. Now I have inclined. Next stage is, this has to be turned this way. It was like this. Now I have to turn it this way. Which one I am turning? Top view I am turning. Just see here. It is here like this. Now I am turning it. It was inclined like this. After inclination, I am turning it this way. This is turning. So I have to incline the top view. Now I change the top view now. Next. These things are there now. Next, I take this top view. 1, 2, CD, 1. 1, 2, CD, 1. Turn it by 40 degrees. Now, dear students, I have drawn here. You please read it once again in your house. What he has said is, let me go to problem now. He said, the axis is inclined at 50 degrees to HP. Edge is inclined at 40 degrees to VP. What is inclined? This edge is inclined at 40 degrees. The edge on which it is resting is inclined at 40 degrees. This is resting on, this is the edge on which it is resting like this. Now it is turned. This edge is turning. Therefore, this turning edge must make 40 degrees. Now let me come back again here. Where it is resting? It is resting on A dash B dash. So AB must make 40 degrees. The solid is resting on A dash bracket B dash. Therefore, it should be AB must make 40 degrees. Now, dear students, yes, now I have turned it by 40 degrees. This 1, 2, CD. Now, please tell me, AB is making 40 degrees? AB is like this. Dear students, it is like this. AB is not making 40 degrees. 1D is making 40. In this problem, 1D is making 40, AD is not making 40. So, this 1D you should not draw at 40. You should draw AB. You cannot draw AB, you draw 1, 2. 1, 2 must make 40. This 1, 2 must make 40 because AB is parallel to 1, 2. Yes, this is the mistake. Generally, you make it. So, I have given it in detail. I have written here. Again, go through in your house. Yes. Now, of course, I proceeded with this way. Telling you that this is wrong, I am continuing. Please remember, you should not do this way. Right. Now, from here, you draw vertical lines from 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D. First, I have drawn vertical lines from 1, 2, 3, 4. Draw vertical lines. Similarly, from 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, draw horizontal lines. Wherever corresponding points are intersecting, that is the point. For example, from 2, I have drawn a vertical line. From 2, I have drawn a vertical line. From 2 dash, I have drawn a horizontal line. Wherever it is cutting, that is point 2 dash. Similarly, obtain all the points. Next, also ABCD. So, again, A, B, C, D, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Now, Here you join them in order. Here also you join them in order. Now question comes, what are these dashed lines? Why they are dashed lines? Dear students, if this is your front view, just see here. Now, you are able to see C, 2 dash, B dash, 3 dash, C dash, you are able to see. But behind that, there is 1 dash, A dash. This is 2 dash, B dash. 2 dash, B dash is here. Behind it, 1 dash, A dash is there. You cannot see that. If it is like this, you are seeing 2 dash, B dash. 1 dash, A dash is here. They are hidden. So, I always write 2 dash, B dash without bracket, 1 dash, A dash with bracket. Whatever is written with bracket that is hidden, I draw dashed lines, not thick lines. I should not draw continuous line. Whatever is hidden, I have to draw dashed line. Now, when I turn it this way, dear students, you are seeing 2, 3, also 4. 2, 3, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash you are seeing. 1 dash is behind. You cannot see. 1 dash, A dash is towards me. You are not able to see. This 1 dash, A dash is hidden. 1 dash, A dash is hidden. So 1 dash, A dash must be dashed line. Now, when 1 dash, A dash is dashed line, A dash is connected to B dash, B double dash, A dash is connected to D dash. Just see here, it was like this. These 3 are dark lines, you are able to see. 1 dash, A dash is not visible. It is here like this. You cannot see 1 dash, A dash. You are not able to see 1 dash, A dash. Now, I am showing you 1 dash, A dash. A dash is connected to B double dash. A dash is connected to B double dash. A dash is also connected to B dash. This is dashed line. These 2 are also dashed lines. This is dashed line. These 2 are also dashed lines. Now, in the examination, how to find out this? All of you will have erasers. Instead of this, you assume your eraser, keep it before you, try to find. Now, without model, how to find out? Because model is there, it's okay. Without model, now come here. This is front view. See from top. If you are seeing from top, whatever is nearer to you, you are seeing. See here, once again. See, in this figure, 3 is nearer to you, next 4, next 2. 1 is last. 1 is very far away. Nearest is 3. Next 4, next 2. 3, 4, 2 are visible. Whatever is nearer to the observer, you are the observer. 2, 3, 4 are visible. 1 is far away, it is not visible. Now, come here. Here, what are the things which are very nearer to you? 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash are nearer to you. Next is C dash, D dash. What about A dash, B dash? That is from observer is here. A dash bracket B dash is very far away. You can't see that, you put it dashed. Also, if you are the observer, you are here, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and CD also. These 3 you can see. 2 dash, 3 dash, 3 dash, C dash you can see. Not C dash, B dash, B dash, 2 dash you cannot see. This line and this line you cannot see. Only you can see this and this. So this is dash. Similarly, if you come here, 1, 2, 3, 4 are visible, make 1, 2, 3, 4 dark. 1, 2, 3, 4 is nearer to you, make 1, 2, 3, 4 dark. AB is dashed line, it is very far away. AB is dashed line. All other lines, if they are visible, you make it dark. One important rule is all outside lines are dark. What are the outside lines? 2 dash, B dash, A dash, D dash, 4 dash, 3 dash. These are the lines, outside lines. All outside lines are dark. First make them dark. Don't think much. All outside lines are dark. Now what are the inside lines? This, and this. Inside lines, I told you 1, 2, 3, 4 are visible. Make 1, 2, 3, 4 dark. These things are not visible. Make dash. With this is the basic principle on which you have to draw projection of solids. Right? Similarly, there is one more projection. I have taken a, dear student, in this, the solid is resting on HP. Therefore, this line is touching XY. The prism is touching XY. In the next problem, he says, it is a pentagonal prism is resting on a side which is parallel to HP, 20 mm above it. In the previous problem, it was resting. Now he says, this is base. This base is parallel to HP and 20 mm above it. This is the position. On this, it is tilting. Earlier, resting on this, tilting. Now, this is base parallel to this. Now, how much above? 20 mm. When it is resting, how much it is above? It is 0. When it is resting on HP, it is 0. When it is parallel above, it is 20 mm. Right. Yes, given. Same problem. Draw the pentagon first. Now, draw this figure. Draw the height is given. Height is how much? Side is, the side of the prism is 20, height is 70. Right. Now, 20, how do you draw the prism? Draw 20 mm here. What is the angle here? 108. 360 divided by 5. This is 108. No, sorry. 360 divided by 5 is this angle, please. 72. This angle is 90 minus 72, 108. So you draw 108 here, 108 here. Take 20 radius, A center, you cut here, you cut here. With this center, draw 2 more arcs. You get the pentagon. From here, draw vertical lines. From XY, mark 20, draw a horizontal line. From here, 70, draw horizontal line. Here also, A, B, C, D are below. They are hidden. 1, 2, 3, 4 are on top. They are not hidden. So A, B, C, D hidden. 1, 2, 3, 4 are above. Now, project them. A, B, C, D below. 1, 2, 3, 4 top. Now, if you see from bottom, I see 3C, 3 and bracket C. 3 I am able to see, C I am able to see. But from here, 5 bracket here not visible. 5 bracket here not visible. Similarly here, 2B are visible. 2B are visible. 1A hidden. 4D is visible. Now this is the first position where theta is 0, phi is 0. Next position, it is resting on side. Dear students, it is resting on side. I told you how to take care of 2 things. One is resting on HP or VP. Again, I am repeating what I told in the starting class. First, is it resting on, this is base, HP or VP? First thing, resting on HP or VP. Next, is it resting on edge or side? Edge or side, both are same, meaning is same. Because this is a rectangle, I get 2, longer and shorter. If it's a pentagon, there is only one side, 25. All sides are 20 only. So it is resting on side or corner. Corner is like this. It is resting on corner. It is resting on corner like this. Edge is, it is resting like this. It is resting on edge. Corner is like this. 2 things you have to find. And as I told you, if it is edge, again we go back. You go back. This is resting on edge place. A dash, B dash is the edge here. A, B, it is resting on edge. This is corner. This is resting on corner. Please note, A dash is a point place. A dash is a point. C dash also is a point. C is a point, A is a point. A dash, C dash are points. A dash, C dash is a point. If you come here, A dash bracket B dash is not a point. A dash bracket B dash is a straight line AB. Now it is resting on this A dash B dash. This is resting on side. This is resting on corner. Please keep this in mind. Resting on corner, resting on edge. Resting on VP, resting on HP. These things, read the problem, then decide it. Understand the problem first, then you have to identify where is the base coming. Base or polygon, whatever you call, where is it coming? Is it coming above XY or below XY? Is it coming above XY or below XY? When it is on HP, this is base. This is base now. When it is on HP, base is on HP. So polygon is here on HP. When it is on VP, base is on VP, it goes above XY. Please keep this in mind. Rest of the things is drawing vertical lines and horizontal lines. Rest of the things are simple. Not much. Now, afterwards, we go to next point. Draw a horizontal line here. This pink line is continuation of this. On this, you draw the angle 45 degrees. As I told you, you can incline this way or this way. Both are okay. But better you incline this way. But generally what happens, most of the students I have seen, they prefer this way. I don't know why. So I have also drawn like that because I don't want to confuse student. Student, if he want to go in one particular way, let him go. So I have drawn like this. But correct way is always anti-clockwise direction. This is not the correct way, but there is no problem as far as if you draw like this. Now, what you do? Take this point A dash B dash, draw 45 degrees. Now this is 70, mark here, then complete this rectangle as per this. Exactly identically you have to draw this way. Whatever is this, you draw this. Only thing is incline it by 45 degrees. And A dash B dash must be 20 above. This must be 20 above, this must be there. Now, similarly, you draw all vertical lines, you draw horizontal lines. Vertical lines, horizontal lines. Similarly here, vertical lines, horizontal lines. Now, after join this, you can join 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 1. Now, you join all this. It was here like this. Incline, draw vertical and horizontal. You got the points. Now we join them. You get a compressed hexagon. You get a compressed hexagon. Now, dear students, if you forget about this solid from here to here, this complete solid, this is nothing but a plane. It is projection of a plane. Pentagon is here. Compressed pentagon, you got it. Similarly, you draw vertical lines from here, draw horizontal, you get ABCD. Dashed lines, whatever is not visible, whatever is visible, you draw dark lines. All outside lines must be dark. First, draw outside lines dark. Your problem will solve. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4 are nearer to the observer. Therefore, this is dark. This must be dashed line. AB is below, AB is dashed. All points connecting to A and B are dashed lines. This line, this line, this line, all lines are connecting to AB, they are dashed lines. Next, We have drawn this way. It was here like this. I have inclined. Now, next, I told you, I have to turn it this way or this way. I have to incline. Top view I have to change. Now, next is, I'm changing top view. This top view completely, I'm changing now. Now, let me go to problem again. He says, the top view is inclined by 35 degrees to VP. The edge is inclined by 35 degrees to VP. The edge, let us take this. Let us take this. Edge is inclined by 35 degrees. Now, dear students, this is 35. What is the edge, please? It is resting on AB. Is it right or wrong? Yes? Some of the students, they can tell me, edge must make 35 degrees. Now, once again, edge is not making 35 degrees. This 5E is making 35 degrees. Edge is not making 35 degrees. This is again wrong. So again, also see, generally why I have drawn is, general mistakes what your students are doing, I wrote it, same thing I wrote it here. Please read again in your house. You should not make 35, you should make 55 here. If you make 55, AB will become 35. Ultimately, whatever you do it, AB must make 35 degrees. But AB is making 55 degrees here, which is wrong. Now make 5E 55. 5E is making 35, you make it 55. Then once you die it, rest of the things are okay. They're all fine. Yes. Now you have drawn it. Same thing, copy it, turn it, paste it. What do you do? Generally, we complete a rectangle here. We complete a rectangle, then turn it. This must be copied as it is, with AB making 35 degrees. Generally, I do with I make a rectangle completely, make it PQRS, then complete this drawing. Yes. Now from here, draw vertical lines, horizontal lines. This remains same. Vertical lines, horizontal lines remains same. No change. Then you join all. Now, what about dashed lines? Observer is here. Is seeing 1, 2, 3, 4 is nearer to the observer. Dear students, previously I said observer is here. Now I am telling observer is here. Which is correct? Is observer here or here? Yes? Yes, where is chatting, please? Anybody chatting? I'm not able to see. I'm not able to see your chatting. Anyway, what we do is, dear students, once again come here. First draw the pentagon. You see from here, this is the pentagon. Observer is here. You draw this. First draw pentagon. See, observer is here. He is drawing this. Afterwards, you turn it this way. Observer is here. He is drawing this. Now you turn this way. Observer is here. He is drawing this. So, from this view, you are getting this. From this, I am getting this. This is same as this, no change, only turning. Both are same. Now, from this, I am getting this. This and this are same, only turning. From this, I am going to get this. So, observer is here. 1, 2, 3, 4 are nearer to him. 1, 2, 3, 4 are nearer to him. So 1, 2, 3, 4 must be dark. 1, 2, 3, 4 must be dark. These must be dashed lines. A, B, C, D is far away dashed lines. Once again, all outside lines you make it dark. Rest of the things. Yes. No, sorry, I have already taken 5 minutes more. There was some problem with my system. I hope next time there will not be any problem tomorrow. And any of you have got any problem, please you can call me. I have already put a message also. You can call me on my number. Now, I'll close. Any of these doubts, please put a message in your WhatsApp. I'm not able to see your chats. Yes, please. Some of you, somebody can unmute and talk to me. Yes, I'm able to see the charts. Okay. Yes, you can do with auxiliary planes, please.